747. We really appreciate it. It's been a long, hard 6 weeks, especially for a few of us who have tried to transform this. So for those of you who've been in, I hope you agree that we've done a half-decent job already, and we've made the aircraft look really good, especially for you guys who have flown her. For Mark and his wife for coming today to support us. So you can spend as much time in the hangar with us. We have got more people obviously coming to join us as well. I know some people have got on board. Whoever's been on board currently, you can get back on again in the current slot. But yeah, spend as much time in the hangar, in the shop, and watch out for updates on our social media as well. So the flight sim should be open in the next couple of months for some taster sessions, and also from an events perspective. So we're going to be opening up this side for wins, conferences, all that type of thing. So do spread the word and follow our social media and our website. Thanks again for coming, and I hope you really enjoy your day. So I'm just going to hand over to Noel. Noel's going to say a couple of words, and then he's going to officially cut the ribbon for us.
Absolutely. So thank you, Drew, for inviting me to come up here. It's really cool. BA, obviously the BA 747 is such an iconic aircraft anyway, and as part of British Airways fleet, it's obviously been going for a very, very long time. So it's absolutely amazing that you've invited me to come up and help me to open this. Video coming out this week of me actually racing this thing up here. So, Drew's got it playing as a sneak preview over there. So yeah, it's been just amazing to be a part of it. And it's great that you've been able to get this 747 to the point where people can start enjoying it again, and it's actually still serving the community like it has done for so many years. So yeah, do you want me to cut the ribbon?
Yeah.
So yeah, therefore we declare it open, I guess.
Guys, just as well, for anybody who does want a drink or food or something afterwards, the restaurant and bar around the corner is offering 10%, just showing your boarding pass, alright? There are toilet facilities down the left hand side here too. So if we can, anybody who hasn't checked in with us, if you can wait, let everybody with the boarding pass back on, and the guys who were currently in the aircraft can go back on. If you want to, anybody...